Step into the Kia 2019 Sedona EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 276 horsepower, 3.3L-liter V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.